subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new Reno series phone in Thailand called Oppo Reno8 Z with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno8 Z 5G features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Reno 619 GPU. And it packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo Reno8 Z 5G supports a triple camera setup with RGB light on the rear that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture, plus 2MP macro and 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 33W SuperVOOC fast charging, and it runs on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.9 by 73.2 by 7.66mm, and it weighs around 181 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno8 Z 5G has been priced in Thailand at 12,990 Thai baht, and it is now available for pre-orders in the country in Dawnlight Gold and Starlight Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno8 Z 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.